Welcome to today's video, where we explore how Salesforce for manufacturing, powered by Agentforce, is transforming the manufacturing value chain. Manufacturers face major challenges like margin erosion, revenue leakage, and inefficiencies across operations. But Agentforce provides a powerful solution by seamlessly integrating customer, product, and asset data. This integration boosts efficiency, streamlines workflows, and drives significant revenue growth. Manufacturing Cloud powers this change by unifying sales opportunities with demand forecasts and integrating operations seamlessly. By aligning operations with sales, manufacturers can serve customers, distributors, and assets faster and more accurately. AI-powered insights help automate repetitive tasks, optimize processes, and enable smarter decision-making at every stage. Automation, driven by AI, simplifies everything from customer account management to lead generation, approval, workflows, and order management. Revenue Cloud enhances this, streamlining the entire product-to-cash process from pricing, quoting, and contract management by billing. By integrating data from various systems, Agentforce ensures sales forecasts align perfectly with shop floor realities, reducing inefficiencies and maximizing profitability. Agentforce also empowers manufacturers to manage large volume of sale agreements more effectively and optimize inventory-based customer orders, all while providing real-time data insights. Salesforce Revenue Cloud and Manufacturing Cloud can work together, but using both is not mandatory. Revenue Cloud focuses on streamlining product-to-cash process, pricing, quoting, and billing, while Manufacturing Cloud helps align sales with operations. Combining them provides a complete solution for efficiency and profitability. For those in field service, Agentforce offers cutting-edge tools. It provides real-time asset tracking, allowing technicians to manage warranties, generate accurate pre-work estimates, and optimize field visits with AI-driven recommendations. This not only improves technician productivity, but it also elevates the customer experience by delivering more personalized and proactive service. And if you're wondering how Agentforce applies to industries like tech, healthcare, or finance, be sure to check the links in the description below to learn more. Salesforce for Manufacturing, powered by Agentforce, doesn't just modernize commercial operations, it connects your entire value chain from sales to service on a single platform. Ready to transform your business? Contact us today to see how Agentforce can revolutionize your manufacturing operations. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on AI innovations across industries. Bye!